Good morning. Time right now is exact 5 in the morning, and today is Sunday, and we are heading for a ride with a new group which I recently joined. I know some of the people, but it's gonna be an official ride, first ride in this group. Today's ride is gonna be a long. It's almost 250 kilometers one way. That means 500 to and fro. So it's a long. I've done this stretch on my Dominar earlier with the Dominator group, but this is the first time I'm going on my ADV. I think rainy season has come to an end for this year. The most amazing season starts now, which is winter, and the rides also are getting planned for this year till December. Till now 2 rides are already planned. One is to the west and other to the south. My god, it's completely broken here. The car is completely gone. You can see a video on internet. This is a Wipro junction, so just hit Wipro junction accident and you'll get a lot of videos. The main thing is, like, the Ladakh videos have, it took almost like 3 months, June ending, July, August, September. Yes, it took 3 months to edit and upload. I came back from Leh Ladakh trip in June. I think June 19th I came back to Hyderabad, and till September mid I was posting those videos. My god, the main problem I was facing is the content. Like, it's a huge data, almost 400 GB, the complete series. The meeting point was at Nanakaramunguda, and I think I lost my mind and I came to Narsinghi, that to TSPA junction. Whew. Now I'm not gonna go back because they will be coming this side, because this is the route which we'll be taking, so I'll be waiting here.
1 hour later.
Finally the gang is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 people till now. Connect here. Hello, Akhil.
Akhil gara?
Yeah.
GPS పెట్టుకున్నారు ఎవరైనా?
ఇది రూట్ తెలుసు నాకు.
తెలుసా? ఓకే, మిమ్మల్ని ఫాలో అవుతాం అయితే చెప్తాను.
Akhil. Got it. Chalo. Hey, hello, Akhil. How your name?
Manikandam.
Ma, okay. Hi. Hello, bro. Akhil.
Shiva.
Right. Okay. Chalo. Now we are heading to Srisailam. It's hardly 100 kilometers. This is actually a Dindi Dam. We are not going on the top. So this is the bridge to cross from one part of the hill to other, and here we will be changing the state from Telangana to Andhra. మీరు అక్కడ ఆగుతారేమో అనుకున్నా.
2 hours later.